The government says you will not be able to get any government services nor obtain an ID, passport, driving license or even a birth certificate if you do not register under the new National Integrated Identity Management Systems. It is all systems go for a pilot of the new registration in 15 counties, as our very own Dorcas Wangira reports.
The National Integrated Identity Management Systems NIIMS will create and manage a central master population register. It will capture data for persons from the age of 6. This, the government says, will be the authentic source of truth of identity of all persons residing in Kenya.
For each registration, the National Integrated Identity Management System, better referred to as NIIMS, will generate a unique identification number that will be known as the Huduma number.
A person who is not registered under the Huduma number program will not access government services such as registration and replacement of ID cards, application and renewal of driving licenses and passports, NHIF, NSSF, birth certificates, cash transfer to the elderly, subsidized farm inputs, among others. The purpose is to capture biometric data of all citizens and foreigners as well. The registration is mandatory. The first mass registration exercise will be undertaken by registration officers, including assistant chiefs and registration assistants, for 30 days. This will take place at homes, mobile registration centers, and in special institutions such as hospitals, prisons, and learning institutions between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m., including on weekends and public holidays. To register, one will require their identification documents and physical presence. But when asked why now, the government maintains this is to facilitate the Big Four agenda through the provision of citizen data to stakeholders who are charged with the delivery of food security, affordable housing, manufacturing, and affordable healthcare for all. County commissioners will coordinate the execution of Huduma number-related activities in the counties. The pilot will be in 15 counties: Nairobi, Uasin Gishu, Kajiado, Baringo, Marsabit, Embu, Makueni, Busia, Nyandarua, Kiambu, Kilifi and Tana River. Human rights groups and Kenyans from different quarters have expressed concerns over NIIMS, citing possible gaps in implementation, key being the risk of abuse of the digital legal database, lack of data protection laws and policies in Kenya, and the administrative inefficiencies hindering reach of birth registration to all Kenyans. But the government maintains the rollout will take place, with the pilot registration slated for February and continuous registration for March respectively. Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV.